In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter expenses without a connected bank in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes you don't want to or simply can't connect your bank account to QuickBooks, but you still need your books to be accurate. Manually entering expenses is a straightforward way to keep everything up to date, and that's exactly what we'll walk through together. First, start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account and looking toward the upper left corner of the screen. There, you'll see the plus new button. Go ahead and click that. This is your main starting point for creating new transactions, and you'll use it often for things like invoices, bills, and of course, expenses. Once that menu opens, look for the section labeled Vendors. Under that section, choose Expense. This tells QuickBooks that you're recording money going out of your business rather than income coming in. Now you're on the expense form, and this is where you'll enter all the details. At the top, you'll see a field labeled Payee. This is simply the person or company you paid. Start typing the name, and if it already exists in your vendor list, you can select it. If it doesn't, you can quickly add a new payee so that future entries are even faster and more consistent. Next, set the payment date. Make sure this matches the actual date the money left your account. Accurate dates help your reports line up with your bank statements and keep your financials clean. Then, choose the account the money was paid from. Even though the bank might not be connected to QuickBooks, you still select it here so your records reflect reality. This might be an unlinked checking account, a credit card, or even an owner's equity or owner's draw account if you used personal funds for a business expense. Picking the right account ensures your balances and reports are meaningful. Now move down to the category field. This is where you decide what type of expense it is based on your chart of accounts. For example, it might be office supplies, rent, utilities, or travel. If you don't see a category that fits, you can create a new one, ideally following any structure your accountant or advisor has recommended. Enter the amount of the expense exactly as it appears on the receipt or statement. Double-check the number to avoid small mistakes that can add up over time. In the description or memo area, add any notes that will help you remember what this expense was for, such as the purpose of the purchase or the project it relates to. This is especially helpful during tax time or if you ever need to review a transaction later. Finally, you have the option to attach a receipt. Click Attach Receipt and upload a photo or file from your computer or device. Keeping receipts attached to the transaction is a great habit. It supports your records for audits, makes it easier to verify details, and keeps everything in one place. Once all of these fields look correct, you're ready to save the expense. That's all there is to entering expenses without a connected bank in QuickBooks Online. And with consistent use, your books will stay accurate and organized, even without automatic bank feeds.